So folks, today we are talking about the 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, I don't know, wonder of the world at this point. It's the LONGYOU caves in China. It's a complex of 24 artificial caves constructed into the sandstone geology of the Fenghuang Hill in Zhejiang province in China. If I'm butchering the name, I'm sure I'll hear about it. Regardless, we dig in. So yeah, here in 1992, local farmers came together, got a hydraulic pump, and started pumping out the ground. Right? They started doing well. What does it reveal? It reveals 24 artificial caves that have been hand built by man out of a single piece of sandstone. Now, when you start looking into this, right, one of the big mysteries is that the quantity of rock that would have been removed is equivalent to 1,000,000 cubic meters, okay? When experts consider the average digging rate of humans tasked with the tools of the time, it would take 1,000 people 24 hours a day for 6 straight years just to get rid of the dirt. That's not the engineering, that's not actually building the structure, not getting rid of the, the material or the debris that has been excavated. What's going on? Yeah, these caves, the average floor area is over 11,000 square feet with the heights of up to 100 feet in the hall, dude. Okay, and the area ever covered is 320,000 square feet. As if that wasn't baffling enough, okay? The ceiling, wall, pillar surfaces are all finished in the same manner as a series of parallel bands that are about 24 inches wide containing parallel chiseling marks set at 60 degrees of an angle. All of them everywhere. Now, again, this befuddles science. It's a mystery, right? Because, again, why would they use this to carve out with hand tools when they could use other? Because we were advanced, brother. I mean, look at the vastness of this cave. This is absolutely insane. Look at the detail. And this right here, if you look at the ceiling, look at that wave, that same pattern is everywhere. And where have you seen that before? Well, I've seen that through sound, vibration, frequency, right? Sound waves. Interesting. They have that same wave pattern. Interesting. Not to mention the way water ripples, right? At certain vibrations or frequency in water, which obviously carries over through the ocean floor and sand. We see the same exact patterns. I mean, look at some of the detail on the walls here. I mean, this is, it's extraordinary. This is not done with hammer and chisel by some people that didn't know what algebra was. So my question to you is, do you believe mainstream, narrative? Do you think this was made by lesser intelligence, barbaric people with, rocks and sticks? Or do you think maybe we've been lied to and that our ancient civilizations were quite advanced and intelligent?